it's Hui-Ming here, and in this video you will learn how to manage your inventory efficiently. So multi-location inventory allows you to track inventory and manage order fulfillment from multiple locations, be it by if you have up to 2 or 3 physical stores and also warehouses. And with this feature, you can actually set it up through EasyStore, multiple locations, and manage inventory from several different locations. But before that, we will need to set it up. First, we will head over to Settings, Location. From here, you will see there are 2 locations that I have set here. There's one is primary. So primary is managing the location's inventory for a website and also social media. And other location can actually be set for different location inventory, such as your point of sale system, marketplaces like Shopee, Lazada, and also TikTok. And when you add location, right, there is one thing that you will need to take note, which is under here, fulfillment option, inventory tracking. There are 2 options here. So first is track inventory independently, meaning to say, let's say if you have 2 outlets, outlet A and outlet B, you would like to manage the stock separately, then this option is preferred. But then let's say if you would like to share with the primary location, meaning to say location A and location B is under one inventory tracking, then the second one would be the preferred option for you. So do take note on these 2. So once you have set, you can actually click Save. Once you have set up the location, you can actually kickstart by adding the stock quantity according to its assigned inventory location. When you head over to products, let me select either one of the products here. So for example, body wash. So when you scroll down to the inventory, you would see that there is 2 locations, alright? And that is under the situation where you selected inventory control is EasyStore tracks inventory of this product. Then this particular section will come out and you will need to fill in the quantity. From here, we understand that from the HQ primary that we have set earlier on, we have up to 89 quantity, and for retail outlet, okay, we have 1, so total up to 90. Okay. And if you have more than 1 outlet and another outlet run out of stock, you can actually perform stock transfer through EasyStore admin panel as well by clicking on products, and you will see there's one part called transfers. This will be the inventory transfer part. So this inventory transfer feature enables you to transfer inventory from one store location to another easily. Basically, when you create a transfer, you can select the origin. So for example, origin is from HQ, destination is to retail outlet, for example, and then you can look for a product. So we will look for body wash earlier. Confirm. From here, you can actually decide how many quantity that you would like to transfer. For example, 5. Estimate arrival. So shipment details is up to your schedule. So for example, if you would like to ship it on this particular date. Courier service also up to your own preferences. Let's say if you're using Post Laju and you have tracking number, so you can input it here, and additional details can be input from here as well. Once you've saved it, location B will also receive this information, knowing that there is stock to be transferred to their destination. You can click on Start Transfer. Confirm. So the person in charge from location or retail outlet will be seeing this one, and when they receive the transfer, definitely they will calculate the stock, the inventory, right? So let's say if it's all unreceived or reject all unreceived, they can just click on the button here. But then let's say if all 5 products are good, they just need to input it, save. Okay, confirm and save. So later on, we will see that in the another location, stock has been transferred. Earlier on, this was 89, and in retail outlet only 1, right? And we actually perform inventory transfer of 5 stock from HQ to retail outlet, so it is now updated accordingly. And at the same time, you can also have a look of the stock movement under inventory history here. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see the previous actions that we have performed, meaning to say inventory transfer. You can see how much product has been added in or minus out from the orders. Okay, and you can actually see it from several locations as well, be it by the primary HQ or the another inventory locations that you have set. So earlier on, we have actually transferred 5 to retail outlet, right? So here is plus, and from primary earlier on is -5. And let's say if you wish to keep track of the inventory for a different selling platform, such as your retail stores, so you will need to proceed with the steps that we have gone earlier on. So after that you have gone through, it will be separated. Team goes to the inventories part. From here you can see these are the lists for the primary ones, and then this you can actually select the outlets from here as well. So you are able to see which product is available for which outlet more precisely. And let's say if you're having a physical store or also attending pop-up bazaar, which would require you to use POS, we can head to point of sales, view point of sales, then you go over the settings, okay, click on the 3 lines, settings, general, and you will see POS location. So from here you can actually select which POS location that you would like to key in the orders on that particular day, and system will actually automatically deduct the stock for you. So for example, if you're going with HQ, and whatever orders that is placed under HQ will only deduct the inventories from the HQ. Besides point of sale system, you can also select your preferred inventory location for the marketplaces. So here we can click save first before we head out. Done. So we will head out back to EasyStore admin panel, back to admin, confirm. So besides POS, you can also select your preferred inventory for marketplaces as well. Maybe we can check out Shopee channel, Shopee Malaysia. Then we click on to accounts. Click on to accounts, we click on this pencil icon here, and you will be seeing it under inventory location. So here you will see products inventory sync from which location it is. Current one is under HQ, meaning to say if there is order created from Shopee, system will actually deduct inventory from this selected location. And once you have selected your inventory location accordingly, you will be able to see it from the order management. So we will head back to orders, click any of them, for example, the POS order. You will be seeing it from here, fulfilled from EasyStore HQ. And some particular order would be different. So for example, some orders would be fulfilled from location A, some orders would be fulfilled from location B. So this is indicating the location that the inventory would be deducted from.